Yeah. So we are coming in with a force. Yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Natural Bro. How y'all doing today? Today I'll be using the Easy Professional Braid 4-pack stretch and my jamming. I'll be using my jamming shine, my olive oil, my scissors, and rectal comb. That's all I will be needing in this Easy Professional Braid. This is a before picture. Before. And let's begin. This is where I started. I part our hair out in 3 sections in the back, and I twist to my right, and I section my hair out in 2 and began twisting to my left on this method. I went ahead and started twisting our hair to the left because this was easier and it would hold the twist better. I started off twisting it to the right, then I end up twisting to the left. So you can twist our hair 2 different ways if you know how to do braid twist. There's 2 different ways you can twist. You can twist to the left, you can twist to the right. I know how to twist to both, so I'm twisting to the left right now. Right here, I'm just repeating the same method, just twisting their hair over and over to the left using my Jam and Shine. I love using Jam and Shine because it gives it the work of finishing touch and hold the hair tight. And I'm just twisting to the left. As you can see, her hair is really pretty. The purple is really coming through with the braids, with her twist, and I like how that's coming out. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button. Please give me a thumbs up while you guys are at it. Let me know. Please leave a comment below. Ask me any questions. I'm willing to answer. Don't forget to hit the notification button for all y'all weekly reminder of my weekly updates. I try my best to put out a video every week. And let me know what y'all want to see on my next upcoming channel. Okay? As y'all can see, I am finished. I'm going to go ahead and use my Sulfate Hay braiding spray and go ahead and spray her roots. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my olive oil Sheen and go ahead and spray her hair with my olive oil Sheen. I went and set on the hot water. Now I'm about to use my Nairobi and foam and just foam her hair up and then let that soak in. Then hot water. Seal them ends off with the hot water, and this is how my finishing look is. I like to use hot water because it gives the hair a nice clean look and it seals the ends. And this is how my Senegalese twist is. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Natural Hair Studio. Until next time, guys, have a good day.